In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a coaching website on Squarespace. We'll start by opening Squarespace and creating a new site for your coaching business. If you're new, you can begin with a free trial to get everything in place before you commit. From the main dashboard, choose to create a new website and give it a working title. Don't worry, you can change it later. The goal here is simply to open a clean canvas where we'll shape your online presence. Next, choose a template designed for coaching or consulting. Look for a clean layout with a strong hero section, a clear call to action, and space for services and testimonials. Use the preview to see how the template handles images, headlines, and buttons. Pick one that feels aligned with your style and the expectations of your ideal clients. Remember, templates are flexible. You're selecting a structure, not locking yourself into every design choice. Now, add your core pages: home, about, services, testimonials, and contact. Keep your navigation short and intuitive so visitors can find what they need in a single click. Your homepage should clearly state who you help and the transformation you provide. The About page builds credibility with your background and approach. Services outlines your offers. Testimonials add social proof. And contact makes it effortless to reach you. On your services page, write clear descriptions for each offer. Focus on outcomes clients can expect, who the service is for, what's included, and how the process works from first contact to engagement. Keep your language simple and direct. If you're comfortable sharing prices, include them. If not, invite prospects to book a discovery call. Place a strong call to action button so visitors know exactly what to do next. Add booking, inquiry, or contact options for new clients. You can use a scheduling or appointment block for discovery calls, a simple inquiry form for questions, or a contact button that routes to your email. Whichever you choose, test it to make sure submissions and confirmations work properly. Adjust the design to match your brand and audience. Set your color palette and typography for readability and consistency. Upload a logo if you have one and use high-quality images that reflect your coaching style. Keep spacing generous, buttons clear, and contrast strong for accessibility. Always check how everything looks on mobile. Finally, preview your site. Click through every page, proofread your copy, and verify all links and forms. When it's ready, publish. Your coaching website is now live and ready to serve your clients.